Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to our churches cast. We already arrived at Banyuwangi, and I would like to say welcome to Banyuwangi. And before that, I would like to tell you a story, a little bit story about the history of Banyuwangi. And here we go. The long time ago, there was a kingdom in the East Java, and led by a king, and the king's name is Prabu Sulakromo. And the kingdom also have a commander, and the commander's name is Pati Sidupekso. Pati Sidupekso has a wife, a beautiful wife, and his wife's name is Sri Tanjung. Sri Tanjung is a very beautiful woman, and also make the king crazy about her. In order to achieve the king's desire, the king made a plan. The plan is make the Pati or his commander to go out of the king and do the hardest job and make the commander love his wife. After that, the king flirting the girl, flirting the Sri Tanjung. But Sri Tanjung is a very loyal, very faithful to his husband. So Sri Tanjung reject the love of the king. When Pati Sidupekso come back to the kingdom from his mission, the king said that Sri Tanjung came and seduced with the king. Without thinking long, the Pati Sidupekso immediately met Sri Tanjung to ask the truth about the king's statement. Sri Tanjung tell the truth. She said that that is a lie. The king was lying. But Pati Sidupekso didn't believe her. The Pati believed in the king's said. Because of that, the Pati Sidupekso want to kill his wife. So tragic, right? The Pati didn't believe what Sri Tanjung said. After that, Pati Sidupekso grabbed the knife and stabbed the chest of Sri Tanjung. But before that, Sri Tanjung have a last request. When her blood made the water smell bad, that is true that Sri Tanjung lied. But if the sweet smell of the water well fragrant, that she is innocent. Pati Sidupekso immediately stabbed his dagger into Sri Tanjung's chest. And what? You know what? Pati Sidupekso fell and he became dizzy because without realizing it, the water is fragrant. The water didn't smell bad. And Pati Sidupekso water or banyu. The banyu is wangi. Banyuwangi. Banyu is water and wangi mean fragrant or sweet smell. So the Banyuwangi names came out because of this story. The sweet smell of the river. Okay, that is the story behind the name of Banyuwangi. Sri Tanjung is a folk tale in Javanese cultural treasures that originated from the era of Majapahit Kingdom. This story is known in the Middle Javanese literary in the form of kidung or dongeng in bahasa. Okay, another interesting story. Banyuwangi have a famous place. Do you guys know what I mean? Do you guys know? No? Okay, I will tell you. The famous place in Banyuwangi is called Desa Kemiren. Desa Kemiren is one of the famous village in Banyuwangi. Kemiren village is designed as a tourist area for the Osing traditional village. Osing is one of the ethnic communities in the Banyuwangi. The existence of the Osing community is closely related to the history of the Blambangan. The origin of the word Kemiren, according to the village elders, was in the village Kemiren when it was first discovered. The village was still a forest. There were many candlenut or kemiri and durian trees, duran. So from then on, their area was called Desa Kemiren, Kemiri and Duren. Guys, after pay attention to my information about Banyuwangi, are you guys hungry? Yeah, I know. Your voice of your stomach is already here. I can hear it. Okay guys, I know you are hungry, so thank you so much for your attention. After that, I will meet you in the restaurant because we already arrived at the local restaurant. We will have lunch here and we have 1 hour before go to Kemiren village. Okay, see you guys in the restaurant. Bye bye.
Saya harus membuka acara ini dengan mengucapkan Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Maka Banyuwangi Ethnic Carnival 2019 dengan tema Kingdom of Lapangan secara resmi saya nyatakan dibuka.